phase of one central is completed and operational, with offices 1 achieving 100% occupancy, and one central Ibis hotel is operational since the beginning of 2016. The subsequent phases are currently under construction. Recently we have completed the offices 3 with achieving a great health and safety record of 7 million man hours with zero lost time injuries. We have also offices 2, which is going to be completed at the end of October 2017.